Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Scheduled for 30th. The counting is on 2nd, so we'll wait for the counting.
So by when this candidate for the 3 seats Congress is declaring?
There is a system in the party, we follow the system. It is not decided by an individual, okay? There is a system. We have the Pradesh Election Commission, we have committee, then the AICC. So the whole process will be followed. Based on that process, what ultimately is the final decision will be shared with all of you.
Are you confident that the Congress will be able to retain 2 seats?
Yeah, people will determine the fate of every candidate. And as of now, what we see is that with whole instances of lack of governance, which is visible everywhere, I know what people will decide. Every time whenever we are confronted with this kind of situation where we have limited time, then we utilize the time accordingly. Okay, so there is, it's true for every political party. The limited time which is available as per the notification is not only for one political party, but for every political party. So every political party will look at those spaces available in respect of the time and probably keep pace with the timing.
Will these by-elections be an indication for the upcoming parliamentary?
I think that you should leave after question after 2nd of October.